Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book on Expedia using Klarna and get the best deal. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Expedia Klarna deal of 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Expedia is a popular online travel platform where you can book flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages all in one place. It allows you to compare prices from different airlines and hotels, making it easier to find the best deals. Expedia also offers secure payment options, including Klarna, which lets you pay in installments or later, giving you flexibility while booking your trip. First, go to the Expedia website and click on Flights. Here you can choose whether you want a round trip, one-way, or multi-city flight. Next, type and search for the city you are leaving from, and then type the country or city where you are going. Now select your travel dates. Then choose the number of travelers, including adults and children, and select your cabin class, such as economy, premium economy, business class, or first class. Click on Search. Once the results appear, click on Sort By and choose options like Recommended, Price Lowest to Highest, or Price Highest to Lowest. For example, if you select Lowest to Highest, you will see the cheapest flights first. Here, you can check flight prices, airlines, and travel times. Scroll down to see all available flights. Check the departure time from your city and the arrival time at your destination. Now, click on any flight that suits your schedule. Check baggage options and all other flight details, then click on Select. Expedia may also offer package deals with hotels. You can explore them or click on No Thanks to continue with your flight only. Next, review your flight details, including flexible seats and baggage allowance. At checkout, enter your personal details, including full name, country, and territory code. Enter your phone number, passport country, gender, and date of birth. Select the number of travelers again and continue to the payment section. After that, choose Klarna as your payment option if you want to pay in installments or later. Complete your booking, and you're all set to travel. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even the Expedia Klarna deal. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.